Hey guys! See you in my 19th life. Spoiler alert, may mga characters sa season 3. At yung chemistry no, if you're into medical drama guys, ang ganda ng OST. Sabi yung bookbang dito guys. One of the legend K-drama, yung sa K-drama na to. Going K-drama na pinapanood ko ngayon. So guys, may pa-mic tayo ngayon. Yeah, it's giving me ASMR vibes, you know. So for today's video, we will be talking about the K-drama recommendation or mga K-drama na panood ko na pwede kong ma-recommend sa inyo. Ito ata yung request nyo mostly na makita ko sa mga comments. So I have here list. Disclaimer lang. So wala to naka-order guys. So base lang ito sa kung anong ma-recommend ko sa inyo na feel ko or I think na okay naman siyang panoorin. So first K-drama that I will recommend is See You in My 19th Life. So guys, if hindi nyo pa napanood ang See You in My 19th Life, guys, it is a must watch. Kasi ang OST nito the best at yung chemistry ng dalawang bida dito is super. Guys, hindi din masyado tong heavy na K-drama, very light and very mellow. Then ang romance na part dito is super talaga guys. Like grabe if you're into mukbang talaga, like literal na mukbang, like grabe yung mukbang dito guys. Hindi din ako na-expect na grabe pala yung, pero yeah, it's a must watch and kailangan nyong i-add to sa inyong watch list kasi the best talaga guys. Then ang OST talaga, dito talaga ako nakuha sa OST nito kasi ang ganda ng OST. Especially yung title na Star by Cold. Yun na OST guys. Grabe. The best. Then next is King Dalan. Itong King Dalan at See You in My 19th Life, pinagsabay ko to silang dalawang panoorin kasi magsabay silang na-release. So, kasabay din yung release ng mga episodes. So, tinry kong isabay. Then, yeah, medyo okay din naman. But sa King Dalan, hindi masyado ako na-hook dito na K-drama kasi muntik na nga hindi ko natapos tong K-drama na feel ko parang na-drain ako sa half of the episodes or like halfway of the episodes pa. Yan, parang hindi ko na feel yung K-drama. Pero very thrilling din naman. Pero yun lang nga, parang na-drain ako sa halfway ng story. But overall, super nice. Ang rom-com din guys, super nice din ang rom-com nito. And yung mukbang, mas mukbang yung See You in My 19th Life. Ito guys, it never fails ang mukbang dito. And ang OST din dito is nice kasi the best. So yun. And then next is Celebrity. Itong Celebrity, matagal na pala to siya na K-drama pero ngayon ko lang siya napanood. But yeah, very thrilling din to siya na K-drama. Pero grabe yung story at saka yung plot. And yung bida dito si Hanjuk yung guys. Grabe. May mukbang din dito guys pero parang twice or thrice lang ata. Pero grabe. Intense. And I like the vibe, yung parang revenge na plot. Ang ganda. Then may mga sense and lessons din na mga words or wisdom dito. So yeah, if you want like parang revenge na plot, go watch Celebrity. Then next is Moving. Ito Moving, kakatapos lang to ng K-drama ata. About last week lang ata. And highly recommend talaga ito guys kasi feel ko ang super hype nito and super fiction siya na story. I mean, with powers. Tapos first parang medyo nalito ako kasi hindi naga-make sense yung story at plot. Throughout the episodes, magets mo naman, like parang every characters may story each episodes. So yun. And then intense din at some point. Hindi masyado siyang romantic pero may mga sides naman na romantic and cute na sides. So yeah, highly recommend talaga ang Moving guys. Then next is Dr. Cha. I'm not sure if na-release to this year 2023 pero parang this year ko lang to napanood and grabe. If you're into medical drama guys, go watch it. Maganda din siya. Yeah, super light lang din for me and maganda din ang OST. So yeah. Then next is another medical drama, The Doctor Romantic Season 3. No need explanation guys. Hello, it's been season 3 na guys. One of the legend K-drama, now on its season 3. Tapos the storyline was okay for me this season. Especially yung kay Anyusop. Grabe yung dito, side ni Anyusop at saka ni Lee So-kyung. Still giving din naman si Kim Sabo dito. But yeah, highly recommend talaga guys kasi the best talaga ang Dr. Romantic. If hindi nyo pa na-watch yung Dr. Romantic Season 1 tsaka Season 2, I highly recommend start nyo muna yung Season 1 up to Season 3 para parang may connect din naman yung storyline nila. Spoiler alert, may mga character sa season 3 na galing sa season 1. So if hindi nyo pa napawatch yung season 1, go watch yun na guys. So yun. And then next is The Glory. Itong The Glory, it's giving like talaga, revenge na plot. So if you're into like thrill or yung excite, yung parang revenge na vibe, go for it guys. Watch nyo ang The Glory. Very intense ng story nito, and if you're into this talaga, yung parang intense na K-drama, this is for you. And next is Destined With You. Ito yung ongoing K-drama na pinapanood ko ngayon. And one of the recent K-dramas na nahook talaga ako ngayon kasi ang light lang ng K-drama nito at saka super kilig guys. Grabe yung vibe ni Rowan dito. Ang cute lang nila. Parang may chemistry talaga silang dalawa. Kilig masyado, very light and very cute. Bagay na bagay si Rowan sa character niya dito guys, I swear. Then overall, nice talaga ang story. Although, ongoing pa siya, but if may time kayo, pwede nyo naman siyang i-watch na kasi parang pa-end na siya. Like, nasa episode 10 na ata ngayon. And yeah, go watch na guys kasi highly recommend talaga siya kasi very light, very like kilig-kilig lang guys. Like, you know. Then next is My Lovely Liar. Itong My Lovely Liar, magkasabay din tong pinanood ko sa Destined With You. And ito yung pinaka-first na natapos sa dalawa, yung My Lovely Liar. At first, medyo naburingan ako kasi hindi ko magets. And parang may super fiction siya na power. But yeah, nice naman ang plot ng story. Very light lang din and fictional ang story guys. So yeah. And then last guys, last na K-drama na ma-recommend ko sa inyo ngayon is itong A Time Called You. Guys, itong A Time Called You, grabe. Ang daming na-confuse dito. I don't know if ako lang, pero feel ko madami talaga na-confuse sa K-drama na to kasi di ko mag-gets. Like, grabe yung pag-teleport, yung pag-time travel ng mga characters dito. Especially kay Hanjun Hee ha. If na-watch nyo na, grabe, hindi ko mag-gets. Pero it all makes sense sa last na part or sa ending of the episodes or parang halfway of the episodes. Or feel ko talaga sa last na talaga na episodes nag-make sense ang everything ng story na to. But yeah, recommend ko pa rin sa inyo kasi maganda naman ang story. Medyo confusing lang talaga siya. And kailangan mong i-analyze each episodes or medyo boba na talaga ako. Pero yun yung na-feel ko while watching this. Yung kailangan mong himay-himayin habang nanonood ng K-drama na to kasi grabe, parang naghahabol ka sa story kasi hindi mo magets. But yeah, so overall, okay naman ang story nito. Okay talaga ang story na A Time Called You. I give that. Pero medyo confusing lang. And yeah, pero ma-recommend ko pa rin sa inyo guys kasi parang old school vibe siya na story. Then meron ding part na from recent na era. So, yun. Medyo confusing siya at first, pero at the end of the storyline or yung plot, it all makes sense, guys. Napaka, lang niya ng K-drama. Like, medyo challenging kasi, yun nga, kailangan mong i-analyze each episodes or kailangan yung himay-himayin each episodes kasi medyo confusing talaga siya. So, I guess that would be all the K-dramas that I can recommend to you guys currently. So, hindi natin alam, baka may mga K-drama pang bago na lalabas na medyo ma-recommend ko din sa inyo guys. I think for now, ito na muna kasi ito pa lang muna yung na-watch ko recently na mga K-dramas and it never fails talaga. So, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and I hope na ma-watch nyo din tong K-dramas na napanood ko kasi super recommend talaga guys. And yeah, let me know if na-watch nyo na kung anong mga K-dramas na na-watch nyo na ma-recommend nyo na i-watch ko guys. So leave nyo lang comment down below. So if you have any suggestions for my next video, don't forget to leave the comment down below. Yeah, let's see if magawa ko. So I guess that would be all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye! See you in my next one. Oh my god. Okay, we're done. We're done finally.